Okay, so this is my 92 NSX, and what it's suffering from is the backlights stay on, and what it is, it's this little plastic, God, it's a little dirty, that's water. Let me see if I can show you guys where that plastic, I don't even know what they're calling it, adapter is, but it's right underneath here. Let's see if I can get it, oh, see if I can get underneath here. I just hit myself on that steering wheel. All right, so it goes, the plastic thing goes right there where my finger is. There's a little hole, and I already got it. I'm gonna put it in there, and it's gonna depress this switch right here. That switch. And it'll take care of that problem. So the switch is right here, and so apparently there's a common problem with Hondas and possibly other cars too. So what happens is what I've learned is that system stays on. There's always power to the rear lights, which is kind of interesting. I'm not sure if that's by design or whatever, I guess. I don't know. This is a 1992. I went into my 2007 or 2006 Honda and pressed the brakes, and with the key not even in the ignition, and of course the back lights turned on, or the brake lights, right? So anyway, so it's going to be real difficult for me to shoot this. I'll try. But man, I gotta really get in this footwell. There's not very much room, and I'm gonna try it and do it right now. I almost got a cramp in my rib cage area just getting in and out of the footwell here in this car. It's real tight in there. So yeah, let me see what I can do. If I can set up the camera, maybe I can set up the camera like this. But anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so that's the part that broke. It was plastic, but it was black, and that's the replacement part right there. That's the part number. Let's see if I can get it without putting glare in here. There you go. 46505-SA5-000. That should work, and this is the one that was in there that broke. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to stick that in there with no issues, man. That looks a little bit small right there compared to that one. So I have to hope I can get it in there. All right, be back. Okay, hey man. Whew, man, I was unable to get the camera going, but there it is. You can see the white part. I can point to it. It's right in there. I really had to press the pedal real hard to get it in there, and I did put a little bit of like Dawn soap, and it went in there and it clicked, and so it's working. This is the backlight switch right there. That's the I guess right now it's open. Switch is open. When you press the pedal, it closes the circuit and it turns on the lights. So anyway, sorry I couldn't show you. It was just, man, there's not enough room. I'll move out and I'll just show you guys. There's really not a lot of room from here. I mean, it's, you know, from here to here, so I had to get in there upside down on my back and kind of doing a pretzel in there to get my hand up there. But it's working. The brakes are not on anymore. You can go and check that out. Or the backlights, I should say. They're off now. So took about God, that took maybe all of 5 minutes to do. So all right, talk to you later.